Oh, 'cause you know I'd walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you. Top of the morning. Hope you're having a good morning today. It's Tuesday morning. I'm on my way to the Jimmy gym for arm day. Today, Tuesday morning. A lot of stuff to do today. A lot of workout. Gonna get my workout in. Probably 2 hours in the gym. 2 to 3 hours in the gym right now, and just come home, shower, and get there some of the day taken care of. So I'm off to the gym. Like, comment down below, give me a subscribe, okay? Boy, I need some protein in my body, man. The ital diet thing now go work with the gym. Can't eat 1 bag of vegetables and them thing and I come to the gym. Couldn't manage today. Today I was dying from the first half. But I pulled through 2 hours from about 10 o'clock to 12, 11 right now. 2 hours in the gym. It was a good 2 hours. But I'm going to eat some chicken today and all of that stuff. So, because can't work with a bag of greens and the gym thing, you know? Yeah, weak. Yeah, so what's up, YouTube? So it's kind of late right now. It's 15 minutes to 4 o'clock. When I came from the gym, I showered and then I fell asleep. I came outside out in the couch and I fell asleep. Maybe I was really tired, you know. But right now I'm gonna, cause I haven't eaten anything from morning, so I'm gonna go get some lunch. And I haven't had island grill in over probably 3 months, so I'm gonna get some island grill. Probably get like 2 just enough and just beat them up, cause I haven't eaten anything since morning. 2 just enough. I never ate no protein yesterday either. Rastaman food me yesterday. So, some chicken today, just enough. 2 chicken breasts for the what am I name festival? Yeah, festival. So that is my lunch. That's what I'm gonna buy. So let's go. Island grill. Probably buy some almond too. There's a natural food place at Savin. And they sell nuts. Maybe I'll buy some of those nuts too. You dig? For my neighbor thing. I don't know if you can see them on there. Oops. Soon come take them up. You dig? I'm just going to get some. Chuck it down, girl, to that body. Yeah, so the mangoes, the neighbors, they always pick mango off of the tree. Maybe because they don't want nobody climbing the tree. I don't know. But they always pick mango off of the tree and just put it on the wall for anybody to take up as they please. So I'm gonna do that and take up the mango there. They dig the mangoes in from yesterday, they finish already. I eat them all. Some of them never really that good. They take them up off of the ground, and I'm not gonna eat that. So I throw them out, throw some of them away. I need to put my seatbelt on. You hear how low that thing is? It's a 9, bro. I used to have other cars, Toyotas, and it wasn't as a 9 in those other cars. So when I'm driving this car, I always wear my seatbelt because the noise is a 9. I'm going to the right, to the right. So I'm on the next side of the road. Look at the traffic, driving past the traffic because I'm going this way, to the right way, and there's only 1 car in this line, if you can see. So I'm going to Savin. Green light, but not my light. So I have to wait. But yeah. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. You know the YouTube stuff. I'm gonna go the car. This look nice with the eyelash. Yeah. I have a car right there, black car. And she put like some pink things on it with some eyelash. Like some on the glasses, some eyelash. It looks sick. What I'm gonna do, I'll pick back up the camera soon, okay? Yes, I'm at Savin with it. Kinda bright still, bro. Still left the thing. George, I'm sure I remember I don't see good. I can switch it up. So I can switch it up a little bit for you. Yes, I'm at Island Grill with it. I'm at Savin with it. And I haven't had Island Grill in a while because it's fast food, so it's kind of unhealthy. I like the car. yeah, it's fast food, so it's kind of unhealthy. So I wasn't messing with it for a while, but and also because we have our healthier options nearby where I live, like the vegan restaurant and the wrap where they sell the wrapper. But I wasn't feeling the vegan vibe right now today, and what else? The wrap kind of expensive for the value, because I look at value for money. Like, let me give you an example of value for money. So a bed that costs probably like $100,000 isn't expensive, but a bottle of liquor, like a bottle of Hennessy, if you buy it at a party, that is very expensive and not worth the money. So that to me is how I look at what is expensive from what isn't expensive. How long you can have it for and how valuable it is to you, the value of it. Yes, I bid for probably like 200,000, not expensive. But a bottle of Hennessy for probably $20,000, very expensive. You see me? Yes, I'm gonna buy my nuts in that store right there. There's a store right there, and then I'm gonna get my island grill over there real quick. You dig? I got cheese. Yes, it's a bro. And then put it. Yeah, so what I was showing you on my receipt is that I got 333 on my receipt. Still can't see there's 333. Yeah, maybe it's a sign that I need to come to Island Grill more often, you know? Yeah. Get half a chicken, and I got the I bought some almond nuts. Everything raised, bro. Crazy thing, everything raised. Even these are not worth the money. For how long they're gonna last, they're not worth the money. So you should think these are expensive for $900. Very expensive, not worth the money. But I need it because I don't want to overeat. I can eat like about 10 of these in the mornings, and that's it. When you go into the gym, I didn't eat nothing since morning. Going to the gym that was the reason why I came home and I fell asleep, because my body was weak, you know. With the almond has a lot of nutrients. You can just boom with your protein shake in the morning, you know, and you're fully charged. Just the same. I eat them all the time. I used to buy a big bag, but these people they're chopping, because that's not even the final price, because they put taxes on it. Yeah, so I'm gonna head home. Like, comment, subscribe. Oh, and also the people that sold me the almond, they were telling me to promote their business for them, you know. But I wasn't paying them no mind, because I know that stuff ain't free. Man, you're gonna pay me some money? You're trying to sponsor me? So in the future, I guess I can get more sponsorships. But my YouTube is small right now, so when it gets a bit bigger, yeah, I'm gonna just do this, bro. Because I'm a vlogger, so I'm just gonna vlog more. Because some people, they don't really mind the camera in their face. The people at even the Island Grill that was telling me to take their pictures. It's crazy. I'm gonna head home. Look on my box, 2 big chicken breasts with the little wing on it. It's crazy. I never know it would be like this, you know. But I'm there and I give thanks. It done, man. Yeah. I'm gonna go home now for real, but I'm gonna eat a little bit first and then I go home. So peace and love, Rastaman, vibrations, see? Yeah, bro, so I was just thinking about, I just got back home. I haven't touched my food yet. Well, I haven't officially touched my food yet. A T4 piece of the chicken and all of that, but not really. So what I was thinking about was what I deem expensive versus cheap. And I give you the example with a bed for 200,000 and a bottle of Hennessy for 20,000. Bottle of Hennessy is expensive because it gone just like that one night. You probably buy the bottle of Hennessy and you only get like 2 drinks out of it. You understand? So just like that, your 20 grand can just evaporate. You buy a bed for 200,000, cheap, because the bed lasts you forever. Even your children can't come sleep on the bed when them older. If you choose to get a different bed as the year go by. You get me? So a bed cheap, back like NSC expensive. And I was trying to twist that with girls, you know? Yeah, and I was thinking, a temporary girlfriend is very expensive. You know what I mean? Very, very expensive if you have a temporary girlfriend. If you have a permanent girlfriend now, they're kind of cheap. You get me? It don't really cost you nothing. It don't really matter you have a permanent girlfriend. So I know me appreciate you, John. Bad and good and girl shot they are cook for me and them thing there. But you don't know. Man a soldier, so man a go and do your dirt. You see me? Yeah. So with girlfriends, you have to go buy them gifts. You have to take them out. If she want to go out, you have to probably buy new shoes, new dress. Them thing you have to do her ear, pay for some nails, and them thing. And if it's a temporary situation that I go rack up, them amount of money they brought, it go rack up. It's gonna get up there, you know. It's gonna cost you. Yeah. But if you're a permanent girlfriend, like the mother of your children or whatever, you don't really pre that because the benefits get back benefits from it. They can't really count. So it kinda worth it with a permanent girlfriend. But with a temporary situation, kinda expensive, bro. Is what I'm saying, Think about it. And if you agree with me, comment down below and let me know. If you disagree, comment and let me know why you disagree and all of that, okay? Thank you. I'm gonna have my lunch. My late lunch. What do you call it? Like what you call brunch? Between breakfast and lunch you call it brunch. What do you call the meal between lunch and dinner? Lunner? I don't know. Let me know. Hey, what's up? So I'm outside with it on my night walk. It's really late. I don't think I've come out this late. It's 11:30. I'm outside with it. But, I was thinking to myself, I have confidence issues, but I realize I don't got no confidence issues. It's not my problem. My problem is I overthink things. Even though I don't overthink as much as I used to, because money can solve a lot of those problems. And you start getting some money in your pocket, you don't really think like that. You don't overthink. You don't really have problems that you used to. When I make my first meal, it got me to chill. Don't know what happened. So I'm outside. So it's not really. So what I was saying, so it's not a confidence issue. It's just sometimes I tend to overthink, like, instead of just taking action, because and you have to take action, because if you don't take action, then you can't get nothing done. Nothing's gonna happen. If you take action and you fail, then you fail, and you know that you fail, so you gotta go take action somewhere else. But if you're overthinking and you never take the shot, you're always gonna be wondering, should I have taken the shot? Because you miss 100% of the shot that you don't take. So take the shot. If you miss, you miss. You take another shot. You miss, you know that you was gonna miss anyway. So yeah, you know that you missed the shot. But if you didn't take the shot, you're gonna be wondering, could I have scored that shot? So take the shot, okay? Yeah. I know life isn't a game, but it is a game. It is. Because you take action. The action that you take have either good outcomes or bad outcomes. But you gotta take action. Life is action. To live is action. Live on a night walk.